Welcome to this EFT tapping session designed to help reduce anxiety. As we begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow yourself to become present in this moment. We'll use this technique to gently acknowledge our feelings and move towards a place of calm and relaxation. Now, follow along with me as we tap on the points and repeat after me. Side of the hand. Even though I feel this anxiety in my body, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm experiencing this anxiety, I honor how I feel and accept who I am. Eyebrow point, all this anxiety that I feel. Side of the eye, all this tension and worry. Under the eye, it feels overwhelming right now. Under the nose, I acknowledge these anxious feelings. Under the mouth, it's okay to feel this way sometimes. Collarbone, I choose to allow myself to release this anxiety. Under the arm, I am open to letting go. Top of the head, surrendering this anxiety from my mind and body. Now back to the side of the hand. Even though I felt anxious before, I choose to invite calm into my life now. Eyebrow, I am beginning to feel more at ease. Side of the eye, feeling peace and calm spreading through me. Under the eye, embracing relaxation. Under the nose, I am safe to be calm. Under the mouth, calmness is my natural state. Collarbone, I choose to feel grounded and serene. Under the arm, trusting in my ability to find peace. Top of the head, feeling calm and relaxed now. Now take a deep breath and say, I am at peace with myself and the world around me.